If you work in a lab, hospital, or manufacturing facility, you know that testing your safety shower on a regular basis is an important and required check. Most safety shower testers are difficult for shorter individuals to operate. They can lead to spills, and they can be an eyesore when sitting in a corner. The Safety Shower Guard solves these problems. It is a mobile, easy-to-use device that allows one person of any height to test the safety shower. The Safety Shower Guard has a steel base, aluminum stem, and stainless steel funnel. It is built to last. The design is visually appealing, and the device stands upright but compact when not in use. 3-inch casters allow the Safety Shower Guard to be easily moved, and 2 brakes help keep it in place during testing. The height-adjustable funnel and stem allows the water to flow directly into the containment bucket without any spills. The Safety Shower Guard: convenient, durable, mobile.